Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create free business emails at Hostinger. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. To get started, first we need to open up any web browser and then search for hostinger.com in the search bar. Now you are in the official website of Hostinger. As I am using a free plan, so I will just walk you through the process. Firstly, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. After that, in the home section, you need to tap on Manage from Hosting. After that, you need to go to your email accounts section, and from here you can create as many emails as you wish. Because if you have a Hostinger plan, you can create as many emails as you want. Now, in order to create an email, you need to tap on Email and type support@domain.com. After that, enter your password. Then tap on Create. Now, your email will be created. And you can also select from more hosting plans in here. And if you want to choose a business email, it will cost you $1 per month. Now, from your account section, you will see an option of your mailbox. You can tap on it, and from here, you can send your Hostinger emails.